Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is landscaping of industry. While you are planning to landscape industry, you should know each and every point about the landscaping so that the creation inside the factory should be artistic and looks beautiful. In modern times, a factory should not become a place of only machinery, dust, pollution, and noise, but should also be provided with nicely laid out parks and gardens. This is not only needed from the point of beautification, but also to fight pollution and dust. The factories may be broadly categorized into two groups. The first group comprises comparatively neat factories, such as a plywood factory or a fruit processing plant, which emit less dust and other polluting materials. The second group consists of factories such as a cement, steel, fertilizer, etc., which emit a lot of dust, smoke, and harmful chemicals. The primary aim in a factory garden will be to plant trees to arrest the drifting dust and smoke and to cut down noise. Another important aim is to provide ample shade and coolness so that the workers get a respite under the coolness of trees from the hostile, not hot interior of the factory. Moreover, the trees bend down the temperature in the factory premises to a considerable extent through transpiration. The places where garden can be laid out in the factory area are canteen, rest set, hospital, administrative building, etc. It is interesting to note that well landscaped offices tend to have lower cases of absenteeism and job shifting. It has also been found that employees serving in offices featuring colorful landscaped interiors show better productivity. The reason for this can be attributed to the basic fact that humans have a fundamental desire to keep contact with nature. Our perception and moods are highly influenced by the colors we see in and around us. This is very important to increase the productivity of the laborers and skilled persons. Tall and hardy trees such as Casuarina equisetifolia, Eucalyptus, Polyalthia longifolia, and silver oak should be planted all around or in the direction of the winds to stop the spread rows of plants planted in a staggering manner, bring down the noise from the factory to the surrounding outside this barrier. Moreover, in a well planted factory, the trees bring down the zone may be created by afforestation between the factory and its residential colony. Afforestation can be done with hardy ornamentals such as Acacia auriculiformis, Casuarina equisetifolia, Dalbergia sisu, and some other shade trees. Besides planting of trees, a factory area can also be beautified with rockeries, statues, water pools, or lakes, fountains, etc. Bougainvillea should be used freely to beautify a factory area. Root zone process is a German technology to treat industrial and domestic wastewater economically, efficiently, and naturally. Three integrated compounds are essential to this system. They are the needs, the reed bed, and the microbial organisms. Run the contaminated water under the root zone and the reeds beds treat the water. The outcoming water is clear, odorless, and free from contamination, which can be used for gardening as well as for farming, that is cultivation of vegetables, flowers, etc. Landscaping can hugely enhance the sales appeal of a property, thereby increasing the overall property value. The factors that seem to contribute in increasing the property values include greenery, walkways, arches, patios, decks, and ponds. These are the features which should be incorporated in the landscaping plan. Thus, there is a vast scope for the development of industrial as well as institutional landscapes. Such landscapes should aim to improve the aesthetic beauty of the place and reduce the pollution. Thank you for patience hearing.